Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you a delicious Ras Malai recipe. As is the name of my channel, it has to be simple, it has to be easy, and it is so very light that you would want to make it right away. I had learned this recipe nearly 20 years ago because it's an absolute favorite of my husband till today. Whether you're looking to impress your significant other or just want to indulge in a delicious homemade dessert, this recipe is sure to hit the spot. So let's get started.
Let's take a look at the ingredients. You will need 1 liter full fat milk, half a cup of sugar. Sugar you can add a little more according to taste. 1 egg. You'll need baking powder, half a teaspoon. Few saffron strands, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, and 7 tablespoons of milk powder. So first we are going to add the milk in a heavy bottom pan on medium heat. Add the sugar, and then the saffron. Next is cardamom powder, and give it a good stir. Time the milk is cooking, let's take a bowl and add the milk powder. Add the baking powder, half a teaspoon. Next is the egg. We're going to break 1 egg. Now this mixture can be mixed with the spoon or with the hands. I prefer mixing with hands in order to make a dough. It has to be a soft dough which will be quite sticky. The milk is on the medium flame still and it's getting ready. Once the dough is nicely mixed, you can wash your hands and then grease your palms so that you can make the tiny balls of this dough which will go in the boiling milk. At this point of time, you have to increase the heat of the milk so that it starts boiling. The balls of the dough should always be put in boiling milk so that you get the desired result. Otherwise, they will not inflate properly and might remain flat. This recipe with the ingredients that I've mentioned makes around 10 balls, and you will see that within 2 to 3 minutes these tiny balls will become double their size. Now you can flip the side and be very gentle because they are quite soft. After 2 minutes of letting this boil, you can turn off the heat and the ras malai is nearly done. Once it's cooled down, you can remove in a container where you want to serve it. You can either serve it chilled, you can keep it in the refrigerator, or it can also be eaten at room temperature. Now you can garnish with your favorite chopped dry fruits, and it is ready. It looks really soft and it is absolutely delicious.
Thank you so much for joining me today, friends. I hope you find this recipe as delightful as we do at home. Please give it a try and do let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. Don't forget to like and share this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so that you don't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you soon again in the next one. Bye-bye.